Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 KLX100 is making waves in the off-road motorcycle scene, blending performance, reliability, and accessibility into one sleek package. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first dirt bike or a seasoned rider seeking a lightweight machine for trail fun, the KLX100 stands out as a versatile option that promises endless excitement. One of the first things riders will notice about the 2025 KLX100 is its sleek, modern design. Kawasaki has refined the bodywork to give it a sharper, more aggressive look that echoes the styling of its larger motocross siblings. The bike's ergonomics are well thought out, providing a comfortable riding position that suits a wide range of riders. The slim profile and low seat height make it easy to handle, especially for younger or smaller riders, while the sturdy frame ensures it can handle rough trails with ease. Under the hood, the KLX100 is powered by a reliable 100cc air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. This engine is renowned for its smooth power delivery and low maintenance requirements, making it ideal for riders who want to focus on the ride rather than constant upkeep. The power band is friendly and forgiving, providing enough torque to tackle hills and rough terrain without overwhelming newer riders. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the bike offers smooth shifting and plenty of control over varied landscapes. Suspension is another area where the 2025 KLX100 shines. The front telescopic fork and rear single-shock suspension provide a balanced ride, soaking up bumps and jumps with ease. This setup ensures comfort on longer rides while delivering enough responsiveness for quick maneuvers on the trail. The lightweight chassis enhances agility, making the bike a blast to ride through tight corners or over technical sections. Braking performance is equally impressive, with a front disc brake and rear drum brake setup that delivers reliable stopping power. The combination provides a good balance of control and safety, allowing riders to confidently navigate challenging conditions. Durable knobby tires offer excellent grip on dirt, mud, and gravel, ensuring stability across diverse terrains. One of the KLX100's biggest strengths is its accessibility. Kawasaki has designed this bike with a broad audience in mind, ensuring it's easy to start and ride. The push-button electric start makes getting the bike running a breeze, and the lightweight build ensures that even younger riders can handle it with confidence. Whether you're learning the ropes or honing your skills, the KLX100 offers a smooth, controlled ride that builds confidence with every twist of the throttle. Overall, the 2025 KLX100 continues Kawasaki's legacy of producing fun, reliable, and capable off-road bikes. It strikes a perfect balance between performance and approachability, making it a standout choice in the entry-level dirt bike segment. Whether you're hitting the trails for a weekend adventure or practicing your skills on a local track, the KLX100 promises endless thrills and reliable performance in a sleek, modern package.